Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm here with Dr. Petersen from NuVista Plastic Surgery in Salt Lake City. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
CoolSculpting is all the rage right now. People are losing fat off of their bodies without any downtime or surgery. This is fascinating. Dr. Petersen, can you tell me exactly how CoolSculpting works?
Well, CoolSculpting is an exciting technology that is new, and it utilizes power of cold to freeze the fat cells without damaging skin or surrounding tissue, and thereby damaging those cells and sort of marking them for death so that they can be eliminated from the body naturally through its own mechanisms.
That's awesome. I love marking them for death. I have plenty of cells that you can mark for death, so I might be having some CoolSculpting when we're done here. So let me ask you, I think it's so fascinating, fat loss without exercise. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Is this permanent, and how soon are you able to see those results?
Well, each treatment lasts about 60 minutes in duration.
Okay.
For each area that you're treating. And to see the results takes a little bit of time because we're utilizing a natural mechanism. So it takes a little bit of time to see, about 6 to 8 weeks to see the results. And the results are permanent as long as you maintain whatever the lifestyle you're doing right now.
So no extra cheeseburgers, you're saying. You should probably eat a little healthy if you're losing the fat. Agreed?
Agreed.
Okay.
You can't change your diet and see no consequence. But you don't have to increase or start any exercise programs to see the results, and the results are permanent.
And that's great because there's a lot of people due to like physical injury or limitation that may not be able to undergo surgery or may not really be able to do those fitness activities to lose that weight. Would you agree?
Absolutely. CoolSculpting is great for patients who may not be surgical candidates, who can undergo more extensive surgical procedures. Really, almost anyone is a good candidate for CoolSculpting, and depending upon how aggressive you want to be, you may want multiple treatments in multiple areas to see the results. Now, CoolSculpting, the one area that CoolSculpting doesn't address is that you may have some extra sagging skin.
Okay.
That may need to have a surgical procedure to remove, but the fat underneath the skin can be targeted by the CoolSculpting technology. Anywhere you can pinch fat, we can freeze it.
So if you find some fat to pinch, you can take it off. But if there's some sagging skin, you might want to combine it with a surgical procedure like tummy tuck if you're a good candidate for that as well to get the best results, would you say?
Combine or substitute a surgical procedure for if you need to have skin removed. The areas that we see most people wanting to have treatment are the abdomen, also the love handles.
Oh yes, there's a lot of love on these handles, I'll tell you, yes.
And then also the back rolls, even the inner thighs, anywhere that, like we said, we can pinch the fat, we can apply the technology.
No, that is fascinating. Thank you so much. Well, you've heard it here first. I'm here with Dr. Petersen from NuVista Plastic Surgery. I'm so glad he could be with us. For more information on CoolSculpting, visit NuVistaPlasticSurgery.com, or you can certainly call their number at 801-FREEZE-FAT, and it's spelled F-R-E-Z-F-A-T. Thank you again for joining us.
Thank you.